This is the first time I've used this chopper to cut up acorn squash, and it has been amazing. And I felt that it was a good thing to show everybody that this is a lifesaver. It usually takes me quite a while to cut up acorn squash into little itty bitty pieces. But with this thing, I'm going to be done in no time. I highly suggest it. It comes with this little container. Well, it's not a little container, but it's a container to hold everything. Comes with another little container. Comes with, if you want smaller diced pieces, has this. And it comes with all of these other little attachments that you can try, kind of like a mandolin. And it also, which I love, is this little thing to be able to clean up the mess afterwards. You know how everything gets stuck in there? Not anymore. So I highly suggest it.
This is the best product I ever bought.
Full home Wi-Fi connects every room and every device. Smart Wi-Fi means that your home network learns from how you use the internet. It also means your devices are connected with the best signal strength at all times. There's no
So easy to use.
There's no shenanigans on your bill. Just
It has so many little items that you can do.
network today. Call reason number 3. Call the first leader. Get all your money in.
All of that in once.
Because around here,
I'm so obsessed with this. I really recommend you guys.